Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of the EcoStruxure Control Expert Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can install and uninstall the library for controlling the Thesis Island. So let's go to the software. So in order to install a library in Control Expert, what we need to do is to open this types library update. If you don't know where it is, just point to close it. Here we can go to the Control Expert. Should be able to find it over here. Types library update. Once you have this, we should be able to access to the folder where the families of libraries is located in your PC. So for the Control X, for the Thesis Island library, we have where's the folder? So we have these kind of libraries, version 1, 2, 4, and 7. So what we need is to install, if we go directly download the v17, you have the control blocks in order to be imported into the Control Expert. But you're going to see that there are a lot of things missing. Okay, this makes sense. So what we need is to install the first one, because those are like not add-ons but service packs. So what we need to do here is to install this one, the version 1.0. The version 1.0 is the one that has the Control Expert families and is divided by application or load or system, similar to, for those who know, Machine Expert has their own libraries in the same style. So we need to install these things. So here you should be able to find this family DCS, which is the one that we use in order to install. So I'm going to open this in design, then go directly to the library. I need to find it first. Okay, good. So here you can find that I have the version 1.7. If we go directly to the 1.7, there is nothing to install. This makes sense. So v1.0, Control Expert families, and here we have the different things. So if we go to the load, okay, so we have the motor one direction, star delta, resistor, all that. Just go here, load, and install the family DCS. Now, bear in mind that I have Control Expert open in the background. So if we decide to install this, we got this error. Okay, so in order to install, Control Expert needs to be closed. So I'm going to close it. Now, install family. Should be able to install the library finally. Just wait for it to be installed. Take some time. Okay, installation success. And then I'm going to install the system. Should be the bus coupler avatar. Open, installed. Wait for it to be installed. Okay, good. Now what I'm going to do is to open the Control Expert. Once again, I'm going to show you where this information is located. So I'm going to open the program that I was working. It has a password. Okay. So in order to see which are the libraries used, we just go types library browser, and here we should be able to find all the libraries. You can see here I have the Modicon libraries, general purpose, GPL. There's another video explaining that. And this is Island library. Here you should be able to find the family. We have load avatar. You can see I have motor one direction, motor one direction over here, the category, seal, Start delta, power interface, resistor, transformer, power supply. Now for the system avatar, system control, which is related to the bus coupler and the general island. So this is how you can install it. So you need to repeat this process until you finish these ones. You need to make the same process all this time for each of them if you want to have everything. Probably recommend to have it. Then if you want to uninstall something, what you can do is to go to Tools, Types Library Manager. And here I go to Thesis Island, right click, delete, yes to all, close. Here you can see that it's still the avatar, so we probably need to close this. And now we probably, there we go. There is no more the system avatar. Okay. So now, this is not enough. What we need to do when we work with this library, there's a few things that we need to check in the project. So if we go to Tools, Project Settings, here on the variables, we just need to allow this dynamic arrays. We need to uncheck this force reference initialization, or whatever it's said. This, uncheck it, and here in language is common, that's it, and then we are ready to use. So this is how we can install and uninstall the libraries for the Thesis Island. Then once you already installed it, you can add this add-on into your project with the version 1.7, 1.2, 1.4, I believe it is. So you can increase that over there. And then we have the possibility to uninstall it, and it's important that the control expert needs to be closed when you want to install it, otherwise you get that message error. And the last thing is to enable those settings that I explained you in the video. Otherwise you probably get some errors, and then you eventually find out what it is. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.